you guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. You are here with your girl iRock, and today we're going to do a DIY. We are turning an oversized t-shirt into a dress. So let me show you guys the shirt. So I got this shirt in the men's section at Walmart. The shirt was only $4.97. okay, and it's a nice wolf. It has blue eyes, so that's why I did the blue lips, and I have the blue eyes. So we're gonna turn this shirt that was only $4.97 into a dress. So if you are interested, stay tuned. So this is what the shirt looks like on me. The shirt is a 2X and it goes right here. And also, let me tell you guys real quick, I got inspired to do this because, let me see, what's her name? Her name is, I think it's Kamani or Kamani Stevenson. She did this same DIY, but I'm gonna do it with no sewing. No sewing is gonna be required for this video. So here we go. I will turn around. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. And I will be back and show you guys how we're gonna get this into a tight, nice dress. So here we have the shirt. I turned the shirt inside out. So you want to make sure your shirt is turned inside out. You will need glue sticks, hot glue gun, and scissors, and that's it. Also, you will need a dress to outline how tight you want the shirt dress to be. So I have this dress. It fits me really, really nice, really, really snug. So I'm going to use this dress to outline how small I want my t-shirt dress to be. So make sure it's even. I think some of the wolf is going to be cut off. Hopefully not too much. So I can start with the top. You want to make sure you leave some space, some room to work with, because you're going to have to hot glue some of the fabric. Your glue gun, and you're going to glue everything together. Now we are going to let this dry a little bit, and we're going to turn our t-shirt inside out. And now we have our dress, and I'm actually going to cut a slit in the front. I know I have makeup. I totally got makeup on my shirt. So it's going to be like a little V-neck. Dun, dun. This is the finished look of the DIY oversized shirt into a dress. Yes, I did my thing. I'm so happy. It came out so cute. I paired it with these boots. Hopefully you guys can see the boots. It looks so nice. It is the perfect size. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit that bell button. I will also link below where I got this shirt, also the glue gun, and I will link the girl that inspired me to do this no-sew DIY. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.